Yo, oh yeah, what up everybody on Prelude Power? This is Dex coming at you. Most of y'all know I bought Biscuit's car. Y'all little walk around. See, she got a little bit of rust. Trunk set up. 3.5 gallon fuel cell, 255 pump, Nitrex, 10-pound bottle, gauge. My other video was too long for a photo bucket upload. My little ghetto trunk prop. That's how we do. Interior completely stripped. It's got the seats. All the stuff's just sitting in there. That seat's not bolted in. Dash set up. Under hood. DC sports header. You can see the nitrous jet under there. Run the 50 shot. MSD blaster coil, 6AL ignition, nitro solenoids. I'm gonna pretty some of this stuff up when I put it in the other car, and I'm probably gonna run this stuff through the firewall. All these wires, tuck it up a little bit, clean everything up, make it look a little bit cleaner. Stainless steel clutch line, 32181. As you can see, do a little startup, let it run a little bit. This camera sucks. The audio quality sucks, so sorry about that. See the ECU when you know it's ready. Clutch in. For the launch control, battery, nitrous wires, see everything from inside the car. So it's fully stripped, some warm up a little bit more. Let's see what the exhaust sounds like. Oh, like I said, the audio quality on this camera sucks, so sorry. It. I'm gonna I know it ain't smoking. I'm gonna pretty much put this entire setup into the body of my 89, the one I bought from Camel, 89 or some of y'all might remember that. And I don't know, happy lude. Peace.